Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, there is a huge update from Ather Energy. Ather has cut down the prices of Ather 450S electric scooter by 20,000. So in this video, let's discuss about this discount in detail. So without any delay, let's dive into the video. Friends, Ather is one of the oldest electric scooter brand in our India. They commenced their operations 10 years back in India on an electric scooter, and recently they celebrated their 10th anniversary and launched Ather 450 Apex electric scooter in India. Currently, Ather offers 3 electric scooter models in our India, and they are Ather 450S, Ather 450X and recently launched Ather 450 Apex. This Ather 450S base model is available in only one battery pack variant, but Ather 450X is available in 2 battery pack variants, and we have to pay some extra money to buy the Pro Pack, in which we will get additional technology features. Ather has launched this base model Ather 450S at an ex-showroom cost of 1.3 lakh rupees exactly 4 months back. I already done a review video on this Ather 450S. If anyone of you interested, the link will be in the description. Please go ahead and watch after this video. And the news is now Ather announced 20,000 rupees price cut on this Ather 450S electric scooter. The main reason to cut down the price is to sustain the competition. The main competitors for the Ather 450S in the current market is Bajaj Chetak, TVS iQube and Ola S1 Express and Ola S1 Air. If we look at the monthly sales report, in the first position every month there will be Ola, second position will be occupied by however TVS, and the third position and fourth position. So Bajaj and Ather will compete for this third and fourth position. 3 to 4 months back Ather used to be at third position. From past 2 to 3 months Bajaj is occupying the third position by pushing Ather to fourth position. The main reason for Bajaj occupying the third position is the price cut on their electric scooters. Bajaj Chetak electric scooter is now available at an ex-showroom cost of 1.15 lakh rupees, but the starting cost of the Ather electric scooters are 1.3 lakh rupees, and if you want to buy Pro Pack in it, you have to pay 14,000 rupees extra. So to sustain the competition, Ather has cut down 20,000 rupees on their base variant. Now you can pre-book this Ather 450S electric scooter only at an ex-showroom cost of 1.1 lakh rupees. There is no exact clarity on up to when this discount will be available, but as of now Ather has announced a price cut of 20,000 rupees on their 450S model. So after cutting down the price, this Ather 450S will compete with Ola S1 Air, TVS iQube and Bajaj Chetak Urbane. So the top 4 companies will have a huge competition in terms of sales from now. So what's your opinion on this Ather 450S price cut? Please let me know in the comments. And how many of you will buy this Ather 450S at 1.1 lakh rupees? Please let me know in the comments. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is the one update I want to give you regarding this discount. So if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.